Hello to all my YouTube friends. Today I have some Ballard Designs dupes made with a few Dollar Tree finds. These are elegant neutral pieces for fall and they are just a couple dollars each. So let's get going on the first Ballards Dollar Tree DIY. I've been using the same chargers for a while now, and there's nothing wrong with my gold chargers. I just wanted a little something different. I was browsing the Ballard site and came across these chargers. They were regularly $125, but were on sale for $94 for this set of 4. But guess how much we'll be paying? Just $1 each. I think these would look pretty on a rustic Thanksgiving tablescape, so let's get going. I started by spray painting these chargers from Dollar Tree, and I gave them a nice white base and then got to painting. This video is part of the DIY Mommy's Fall Challenge. I love Christina's channel, and there will be a playlist with a bunch of other fall decor ideas. I will make sure to link that playlist below. Hey, if you're stopping by my channel for the first time, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate all your love and support here on Artsy Cupcake. My name is Maria, and my passion is getting creative in your home. If you like Dollar Tree crafts, home DIYs, and dupe videos like this one, please hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell now, and then you'll know when my next video goes up. I'm also doing a giveaway when I hit 5,000 subscribers, and I'm almost there, so make sure you're subscribed so you can enter to win some craft supplies. I made sure to keep the sponge brush strokes going in the same direction. This gave the chargers that wooden look. I found a plate that was just the right size to trace. Trust me, you want a circle to trace because I have a really steady hand and I tried freehanding that circle, so yeah, just go with the plate. This is my trusty Sharpie paint pen, which is oil-based. Sometimes it gets a little dried up, and when paint pens get dry like this, I flip the tip around and that seems to help get the paint flowing again. I used a sponge brush to measure approximately how far apart I wanted each of the leaf patterns to be, and I made a dot on either side of the circle to mark my spots. Then I painted on the leaves. These leaves are really easy to freehand and they don't have to all match exactly. The hand-painted look is what makes these chargers so special. You can add a clear coat after this if you want to make sure all of that paint stays put. Since these are chargers, we won't be eating directly off of them. They look so nice under some white dinnerware. So here is my version next to the Ballard Designs version. What do you guys think? Pretty close to the original, right? Okay, let's move on to the second Ballard Designs dupe. I loved this oak leaf wreath. I thought the simplicity was so elegant. It was regularly $129, but was on sale here for $104. I had done some more colorful wreaths for fall, and I wanted a few neutral pieces, so I thought this would be perfect. I started with this oak leaf paper stamp. I didn't see the wreath in person, but it looked like the leaves would be fluttery in the breeze. It was just really soft looking. So I tried the stamp on tissue paper. I thought the tissue paper would give that soft flowy effect, but I was unsuccessful. It just tore the tissue paper to bits. So I went to plain white copy paper, and I could easily cut up to 2 sheets at a time, so this went pretty quick. I try to make budget-friendly DIYs here on Artsy Cupcake, so sometimes I recycle a craft from a previous season and I turn it into something new. I had made this pom-pom wreath and I want to reuse the base for this fall wreath. This is just a styrofoam floral ring that I got from Dollar Tree, and I wrapped it with white yarn. I removed the pom-poms and now we have a soft white base that will go beneath those oak leaves. I used hot glue to attach the leaves. I made sure to keep the hot glue only on the stems of each leaf. This will allow the leaves to still flutter. I also tried to keep the leaves going in the same general direction. I bent up some of the leaves at the stem so that there would be some dimension and movement to the wreath. If you find an empty spot, you will need to put the stem further in from the empty spot so that the leaf part is what covers that empty area. I was worried since I wasn't able to use the tissue paper that this copy paper wouldn't have that fluttery look, but you can see here that it does. I really thought this was going to take a long time to make, but it went pretty quick putting this wreath together. And look at that savings. I already had the base, but if you bought the floral ring and yarn from Dollar Tree, that would only be $2, and then just use some plain paper from home. If you have a Cricut machine, you could have a page filled with these oak leaves and have them trimmed out for you. The stamp was around $20, so if you need to buy one of those, this is still way under the original price from Ballards. I had been doing lots of orange and white florals for fall, so I wanted something a little bit different, and this blue and beige pumpkin arrangement really caught my eye. It was originally $99, but on sale here for $79. I have my little shoe storage as my place for my florals. This is in my craft closet, and I had just added some pretty blue florals from Dollar Tree. Have you ever bought something online and then when you opened the box, it was nothing like you were expecting? I got this planter from Amazon, but I was expecting it to be bigger, and because of the design, I thought it was styrofoam just painted like that. But it's actually a really heavy stone pot. I still didn't like the pattern, so I gave it a coat of white primer and then I painted it beige. I found this little white suede pumpkin in the dollar spot at Target. I used a piece of styrofoam from Dollar Tree and cut it to fit. It was just the right height to hold up the pumpkin, and I could push the stems of the florals in it too. I tried it on my mantle, but ended up liking it in the kitchen next to this other little pumpkin that I found at HomeGoods. Here is the savings of mine versus the Ballards version. If you want even more home decor dupes, then check out this video right over here. And there's a little subscribe button over here, so make sure to click on that, and then you'll know when my next video goes up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.